Get ready for a whirlwind of financial news that's shaking up the investment world. First up, Pembroke VCT is back with a massive fundraise after a record-breaking year. They're looking to raise up to £40 million, building on their incredible success from last year. Will this new capital fuel even more growth for their impressive portfolio? Then, we're diving deep into Foresight Enterprise VCT as its stock hits a key technical milestone, crossing its 50-day moving average. What does this mean for investors? Is it time to buy, sell, or hold? We've got the analysis you need. Next, Gresham House Income Growth 2 VCT is revealing its latest financial performance and some major strategic shifts. They've seen changes in net asset value and made significant new investments, all while undergoing a name change. What's next for Gresham House? And finally, we've got a brand new update from Blackfinch Spring VCT plc. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Pembroke VCT launches massive £40 million fundraise. Get ready, because Pembroke VCT is back and aiming for the stars with a new share offer to raise up to £40 million, with an option to increase by another £20 million. This powerhouse venture capital trust, known for backing Britain's most dynamic growth businesses, is building on an absolutely record-breaking year where they already raised a staggering £51 million. This sustained investor confidence shows everyone believes in Pembroke's strategy of finding and scaling exceptional entrepreneurs. New investors can jump right into a portfolio of high-growth companies that are already maturing, and the VCT is known for its dividend payouts, targeting an annual dividend of 5 pence per share. They've also got a history of paying out even more when they successfully sell off parts of their portfolio. Since its founding in 2013, Pembroke VCT has grown to manage over £250 million across more than 45 companies in resilient sectors like technology, business services, and consumer goods. They recently celebrated a successful partial exit from Secret Food Tour, which delivered an impressive 5.3 times return on investment, allowing them to pay out a 2p dividend in May 2025. Andrew Wolfson, CEO of Pembroke Investment Managers LLP, expressed his excitement. "We are delighted to be launching this year's fundraise on the back of strong momentum throughout 2024 and 2025. The continued support from both new and existing investors, as well as our network of financial advisors, reflects confidence in our ability to identify ambitious businesses and help them scale successfully. This fundraise gives us the opportunity to continue partnering with exceptional entrepreneurs, while giving our investors the opportunity to share in their growth and success." What does this massive influx of capital mean for the future of Pembroke VCT and the companies they back? And could this signal a new wave of investment in UK growth businesses? Don't go anywhere, because we're about to uncover what's happening with Foresight Enterprise VCT's stock. Foresight Enterprise VCT stock crosses key 50-day moving average. What's next? Foresight Enterprise VCT plc, a venture capital trust managed by Foresight Group specializing in unquoted companies across tech, media, telecommunications, industrials, healthcare, business services, and consumer and leisure, is showing a significant technical signal. The stock has recently passed above its 50-day moving average, a key indicator that traders watch closely for potential shifts in momentum. Currently valued at £136.21 million, with a P/E ratio of 1023.81. Its stock has been trading around a 50-day moving average of GBX 44.42 and a 200-day moving average of GBX 47.15. While this technical move is noteworthy, it's crucial to look beyond just the charts. Our top-rated analysts at Legends Nexus have identified 5 other stocks that are currently being recommended as better buys than Foresight Enterprise VCT, despite its hold rating among analysts. This suggests that while the stock might be experiencing some positive short-term movement, there could be more compelling opportunities elsewhere in the market. The market is buzzing with this technical development, and investors are weighing whether this crossover signals a sustained uptrend or just a temporary blip. Analysts are closely watching to see if this move attracts new buyers or if it's a signal for caution. But the story doesn't end here. We've got big financial shifts and strategic changes coming your way from Gresham House Income and Growth 2 VCT. Gresham House Income and Growth 2 VCT reports Q2 financials amid strategic overhaul. Big news from Gresham House Income and Growth 2 VCT, formerly known as Mobius Income and Growth VCT. The company has released its Q2 financials, revealing a slight decrease in net asset value per share by 1.08 pence for the quarter ending June 30, 2025, mainly due to dividend payments. However, on a total return basis, the NAV per share actually saw an increase of 0.92 pence, showing underlying portfolio strength. This quarter was marked by significant strategic activity. The VCT made several promising new investments, including backing Penfold Technology Limited and New Quantum Limited. On the flip side, they also realized investments in SEC Group, MyTutorWeb, and Rotageek, indicating portfolio adjustments. In a move reflecting its evolving identity, the company has officially changed its name and TIDM ticker symbol on the London Stock Exchange. Furthermore, the announcement of a second interim dividend and the cancellation of share premium and capital redemption reserves are poised to boost distributable reserves, potentially leading to enhanced shareholder returns. The financial community is taking note of Gresham House's strategic pivots and its proactive management of reserves. With a technical sentiment signal pointing to a strong buy and an average trading volume of 46,656, investors are keenly watching how these changes will impact future performance and shareholder value. And we're not done yet. Get ready for the latest from Blackfinch Spring VCT plc coming up next. Blackfinch Spring VCT plc, what you need to know. We've got a fresh update on Blackfinch Spring VCT plc, published on November 9, 2025 at 7:20 a.m. EDT. While the specifics of this particular announcement are still unfolding, updates from VCTs like Blackfinch are crucial for investors tracking the venture capital landscape. Blackfinch Spring VCT plc operates within the dynamic venture capital trust sector, aiming to provide investors with exposure to high-growth potential businesses. These types of announcements often detail investment strategies, portfolio performance, and capital raises, offering key insights into the company's direction and the health of its underlying investments. Keep an eye on our channel for a deeper dive into what this latest news from Blackfinch Spring VCT plc means for its investors and the broader market. The world of VCTs is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key. That's all the breaking news for today, but stick around for a rapid-fire recap of all the top stories. And that's a wrap on today's financial news. Pembroke VCT is launching a massive £40 million fundraise after a record year. Foresight Enterprise VCT's stock has just crossed its 50-day moving average, sparking investor interest. Gresham House Income and Growth 2 VCT revealed its Q2 financials alongside significant strategic changes and a name update. Plus, we've got the latest from Blackfinch Spring VCT plc. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to Legends Nexus for more market insights, ring the notification bell so you don't miss out, drop a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social platforms.